Settle into a comfortable seated position, rolling the shoulders up towards the ears and then let them fall down the back. Sitting up straight, resting the hands down on the knees or thighs. Relaxing the muscles of the face, jaw, eyebrow. Let yourself arrive in this moment, welcoming this opportunity for stillness and gratitude. This meditation is designed to help you cultivate a sense of gratitude to support optimal healing and vagus nerve health. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions we can cultivate when it comes to supporting healing, reducing stress, and stimulating the vagus nerve. Based on research, a daily meditation practice can be transformative in our emotional health, our mental health, and our physical health. We'll begin with a breathing exercise. Keeping your left hand on your knee or thigh. We'll take the right hand, the right finger to the right nostril and close the right nostril with your right index finger. We'll breathe in for 4 seconds through the left nostril. And then closing the left nostril with the index finger, breathing out through the right nostril for 4 seconds. Breathing in for 4 seconds through the right nostril, and then close that right nostril with your thumb. Breathing out for 4 seconds through the left nostril. Breathing in through the left nostril, and then closing the left nostril, breathing out through the right for 4. Alternating nostril breathing. For a count of 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. Let this breath calm and soothe the body. Finishing your exhale, and then letting your right hand fall down to your right knee or thigh. Allow your breath to be full and complete, in and out now through both nostrils. I want you to take a moment to think about a time in your life you were extremely grateful. Visualizing this moment of gratitude. Maybe you are grateful for a person, a place, an achievement. Let your whole being fill with this sensation of gratitude. Visualizing this moment, absorbing into this moment. Feeling this gratitude penetrate your entire being. Now I want you to think about a different moment that you were also extraordinarily grateful. Could be even something simple, like enjoying a warm, delicious beverage with a loved one, or looking out over a piece of nature that you love. Fill your whole being with gratitude. Maybe even the corners of your lips curl upwards. Feel this feeling of gratitude fill your whole body. Embody a feeling of gratitude. And now I'd like you to visualize a future moment. It can be anything in the world that you would like to cultivate in your life. Maybe it's an achievement or an intention or a simple everyday moment that would fill you with gratitude. Picture yourself in this future moment of gratitude. Feel a sense of gratitude for this moment as if it's already happened. Feel this gratitude with every cell in your body. And now as you breathe, we'll shift the visualization to an energy of glowing golden light, filling your body from the crown of the head down through the brain, the neck and throat. As you breathe, this golden light fills the chest, the shoulders, the arms, the whole abdominal cavity, down through your hands, thighs, and legs. Feeling this golden glowing light healing and cleansing the body. Feel a sense of gratitude for this light and its healing abilities. Stay in this visualization. Bring your mind back to your whole body filled with golden healing light. Repeating to yourself, silently or aloud, I am grateful. I am safe. Or any other mantra that resonates with you in this moment. Take another full breath in, gently letting go of the visualization. Bring your awareness back to your physical body and the space around you. feel ready, gently blinking the eyes open. Carrying this sense of gratitude with you as you enter your day, looking for moments of gratitude and blessings that surround you. Feel free to return to this meditation or any of the other Flora gratitude meditations every day for 30 days and watch your life transform. Wishing you a beautiful day ahead.